Balsamic Vinegar of Modena has a fruity note to it, and I find it to be a light vinegar. It has a nice sharpness that really pairs well with food. Here I used it to create a colored hors d'oeuvre that combines a crunchy black cracker, a silky white bean puree, a dash of color from the yellow beets, and a flavor and visual contrast from balsamic pearls. First, we're making the cracker. It starts with a slightly wet dough that's black from charcoal powder. When you're making a one-bite hors d'oeuvre, you have to think about its visual effect. Because it's a single bite, you want to make it as compelling as possible, and a black cracker is the first step. I score the dough before I put it in the oven, and this will help us break the crackers apart once they're done. I chose to top the crackers with a cannellini bean puree. This type of bean transforms into a really nice, smooth, and silky texture. Visually, the white of the bean against the black cracker is the contrast I'm looking for. I love the flavor of beets, and the golden variety adds a sweet, visual pop of color. My favorite element of this recipe is the balsamic pearls. Balsamic adds a nice hit of acidity that pairs really well with the beets and bean puree. When the balsamic agar mixture drops into the oil, it sinks into a thicker cold medium, and the agar forms a skin around the droplet of balsamic, which creates the pearls. Visually, the balsamic pearls are interesting. It's a beautiful presentation you wouldn't get by simply drizzling balsamic to finish the dish. These provide a concentrated hit of that beautiful balsamic flavor.